In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami Pad is talking about sattvic vikar, sattvic bhav, satta. Satta means existence. So sattva means a transformation of the existence. Vikara means transformation. So when the existence, satta, becomes transformed, becomes sattva, satta vikara. So there's trembling, crying, hair standing on end, perspiring, color, skin becoming pale, changing color, vaivarnya. Many changes are there, 8 different symptoms. So when describing the effects at the level of bhava, when a devotee reaches the level of bhava or prema, then they may experience sattvic ecstasies in the association with Krishna and devotees and objects and things related to Krishna. This experience of their heart, the excitement and feelings of love in their heart. So in that discussion, Rupa Goswami says sometimes regular, ordinary devotees, Kanishta Bhaktas or Vaishnava Praya, when they go in association of Bhava Bhaktas or advanced devotees, they also exhibit signs of ecstasy, of Bhava. They tremble and they're crying, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Because the ecstasy is called, we used to say when we were young, contact high. Contact high. Someone is really high. You know what I mean by high? Like elevated consciousness, let's say, put it that way. In an elevated state of consciousness, and you associate with that person, or you're physically near that person or around that person, then you become elevated in consciousness or elevated in your spirit, or your feelings, contact high, which means sadhusanga.